Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how I use corn make moi moi. So guys can see the corn here. Already peel it from the stick, wash it, add onion and pepper to blend them together. So it's fresh corn, it's not dry one. So I will show you when I will do it. Some many items inside like beans, parboiled beans inside. So when I want to make it, I will show you the rest of items and see. And if you comot it for the stick before you go and blend it, you wash it very well. So you blend it like moi moi, the way you blend your beans. Add your pepper, add the onion and blend them together. Then when I want to make it, I will show you. So guys can see all the item for the fresh corn moi moi. Can see we have already blended. We blend onion inside and pepper. Can see it. This is parboiled beans. The reason why you put in beans, when you put the beans, you enjoy it more than you cook it plain. And this is scent leaf. You have already washed it and slice it. And this moringa leaf. No, moringa leaf is a very good leaf in the body. And this palm oil. Here we have seasoning. This Maggi Seasoning, salt and crayfish. So let's start. You have already put the water and the fire boiling. So let's start. You first of all add your palm oil and mix them together before you started putting the remaining item. You can put the palm oil. It's only the palm oil that you use, because you can't use vegetable oil. Because if you use vegetable oil, when the food is done, you yourself, you won't like it. The face will look somehow. But when you use palm oil and come out, when it's done, you see it, you love it. So you first of all put the oil, stir it together, mix them together, make sure everything mixed together before you started putting your seasoning. So guys can see the way you mix it. You mix it very well. You mix it. And you started seasoning it. Started putting the seasoning. You pour the Maggi seasoning, salt and crayfish. Then you mix them together again. It's a very delicious food though. Fresh corn moi moi. That is the title. Fresh corn moi moi. So you use leather, white leather to tie it. Some use rubber, this container, this plastic. Some use leaf. You now put scent leaf. The reason why you are putting, we put scent leaf, you know scent leaf is scent. When the moi moi done, when you eat, you hear the aroma, hear the flavor. So you now add the moringa leaf. You can see we put the moringa leaf fresh. We didn't boil it before putting it. You know the moringa leaf is a very nice leaf too. Even some drink the water. It's good for all this high BP and diabetes patient and all those things. So it's very good. So if you are using moringa, don't boil it, just put it fresh to done inside the way you like it. So it's time now to put the parboiled beans. For the parboiled beans. So you parboil your beans before you put in it. Don't cook it very soft. Just parboil it. the remaining one will done inside the moi-moi. Can see, wow, can see all the rich inside. You know this food will delicious, it will be very yummy. So I will really enjoy this food today. So it's time now to start tying it. So you see, when you put everything, if you thick, you add little water. So I'm going to add little water because it's thick, to make it light, so that when it's done, it will not too strong. It will be very light the way you like it. See, it's okay. Now if you mix it like this, you test it to know the taste. So when you put everything, you test it. Add more water. You test it to know the taste is okay or not. If the season is not catch, you add more season to make sure the thing dey okay. So it's time now to test. Now use my hand to test. It remains small. The taste never come out and the oil remains small. So we add the season again. Add Maggi seasoning. We're going to add Maggi seasoning and little salt. So guys can see, you add little seasoning and salt. So you mix them together so that the taste will come out. You love it the way you do. So guys, it's time to tie the moi-moi now. You can see the leather. See? You use your makeup to tie it. You can use anything to fish it and tie it. Don't tie it big, small. Tie it little big so that the thing will done very well. You can see. See the water boiling. You can put it now. Fish another one again and tie. Wow, this food is very delicious. And see the plenty leaf inside. Tie it and put. So this is how you tie all of them and put it and cover it. If you tie all of them, put it and cover it like 25 minutes and leave it to done. So guys, let's check the fresh corn moi-moi. Wow, you can see it's done now. Now off the light. So you can see how it be. It is very hot now. It's very hot. So you leave it to cool before you eat it. So I'll open one and show you how the inside will be now. So guys can see how the inside be. Can see all the leaf inside, beans. So you leave it to cool. When it cool, before you enjoy it. It's very hot now. You can't eat it when it's hot like this. So you allow it to cool so that the thing will not even purge you. So I will leave it to cool before I'll eat it, because I can't wait to eat this thing. It's very yummy. So that is all for fresh corn moi-moi. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, comment for it, share it to a loved one. I see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.